Great choice today with 2015 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, sync, cloth upholstery, front bucket seats, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.